Welcome to the payment journey for Mobility Corporate Postpaid Customers. This new feature allows the corporate postpaid customers to pay their mobility bills from the Airtel Enterprise Hub homepage without login. To visit the Airtel Enterprise Hub homepage, just type www.airtel.in/business. Click on the human icon on the top right corner and select Airtel Enterprise Hub from the drop-down. From the new window, click on the Pay Data and Mobility Bill icon under Quick Actions. Select the Mobility option, enter your billing account number which is provided on your bill as relationship number and click Next. You will be directed to a new window where you can see all your unpaid invoices. In order to view the paid invoices, select the Paid Invoices checkbox. To pay the amount in full, you may select a single invoice or multiple invoices you wish to make the payment for. Select the full option and hit Pay Now. From the new screen, choose your mode of payment, enter the required details and click Continue to pay. Should you wish to make a partial payment, select the invoice, click on the Partial tab from the bottom of the screen and hit Pay Now. From the new window, you need to select the reason for partial payment. Upon selecting TDS, you will be required to select the TDS type. If declaration is selected, you will be required to enter the TAN number and hit Validate. Once the TAN is validated, enter the declaration percentage and amount to be deducted will populate automatically. Click on Proceed to make the payment. If the TDS type is selected as Remittance, please enter all the required details. Select the month and year in which the TDS was remitted and hit Proceed to make the payment. If the reason of partial payment is redressal, enter the ticket number, enter the amount to be deducted and click Continue to make the payment. In case you do not have a ticket number, select this checkbox. Choose the reason from the drop-down, enter the remarks, enter the amount to be deducted and click Continue to pay. If the reason of partial payment is fund-related, select the Fund Issues tab, enter the amount to be paid, enter the reason for partial payment and click Continue to proceed with the payment. Upon successful payment, you will be directed to the payment confirmation page. Thank you for watching.